All right, so now we can fetch stories, we can add them, we can edit them, but we still can't delete them. Okay, we do have the delete button in the dashboard, so we're just going to add that functionality now. So let's go to our dashboard.handlebars, and we already have the form in here. We just need to add the method override stuff. So what we need to do is add on to this action. It's going to go to /story/ID, and then we're going to add a question mark underscore method, and we're going to set that we're going to set that equal to delete, because this is going to be a delete request. Okay, and then in here we want to put a hidden input. So let's say input with the type of hidden, and then we'll give it a name of underscore method, and we'll give it a value of delete. Okay, so we'll save that. Let's go to our stories routes file and say delete story, and we're going to do router.delete /:ID. This is going to be request response, and let's test it out. Okay, we'll save that, reload, relog in. I know it's a pain in the butt to have to keep relogging in. So if we click delete, good. So we're making a request to this route. That's good. So let's get rid of the send. And then how are we going to handle this? So this is actually pretty easy. All we have to do here is take the model, so story dot remove, and we just want to match the ID that's going to be passed in here. So we'll put some curly braces. We'll say where underscore ID matches request.params.id. All right, then we're going to do the dot then. That'll give us nothing. Let's just put a empty curly braces, and then we just want to redirect. And we'll go to the dashboard. All right, let's save it. Now guys, I'm not implementing the messages like we did in the last video. I think that that's just too much repetitiveness. You guys saw how to do that. It's not that difficult. It's just tedious. So for you to watch me go through and do the exact same thing, I don't think that's very helpful. If you guys want to take this application and add that to it, then feel free to do that. But I'm not going to add the messages. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. So we'll log in, and let's say story 3. We're not happy with it. We want to delete it, and there it goes. All right, so we have full CRUD functionality with our stories. All right, so we're going to stop here, guys. In the next section, we're going to tackle the rest of this, and we're going to do things like block the edit pages for people that aren't logged in. We're going to get rid of, let's go to the stories. We're going to get rid of the edit icon for stories that are not ours. We're going to take care of the stories my route so that we can only see stories that we published. And then, just clean up a little bit before we're ready to deploy. Well, we have deployed, but before we're ready to actually fully deploy and add a domain name and all that stuff. All right, so I'll see you in the next section.